Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazingly easy Indian style baked spinach chicken recipe, also called as baked palak chicken. It is very easy to make and it uses very less ingredients. Also, it is really good for your weight loss as I have used only 1 teaspoon of oil. Yes, so if you want to know more, keep on watching. So to make this Indian style spinach baked chicken, we need these ingredients for marination. So here I have about 5 to 6 pods of garlic minced, about 1 inch of ginger minced, about 1 to 2 teaspoon of red chili powder or Kashmiri lal mirch powder just for color, about 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, about 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and about 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. And here also I have freshly made coriander chutney, so I just used a bunch of coriander along with some green chilies for some spiciness. So yeah, those are the ingredients we need for marinating the chicken. And here I have my chicken. So this is less than 1 pound of chicken, which is roughly about 500 grams. So this is for 2 people. So now I will go ahead and put all these ingredients inside my chicken and mix them. And that is how my chicken looks. And now to it I will add about half a lemon squeezed. So lemon juice or lime juice is very good for marinating the chicken. It makes the chicken extra soft and not dry, and it also makes your chicken really flavorful. So again, give it a good mix. And also at this step you can go ahead and put salt. Keep this marination aside for about 30 minutes. So now that my chicken has been marinating for the last 45 minutes and it is almost ready, so I will quickly go ahead and chop a bunch of spinach. And now to bake my chicken, I'm using a cast iron skillet. This is very nicely seasoned. I have been taking care of it quite a lot, and I really love to bake my food or cook my food in cast iron because of 2 reasons. First of all, food tastes really awesome in cast iron, and also the heat gets evenly distributed throughout the entire skillet or wok or whatever cast iron utensil you are using. So here I am using a 10.5-inch cast iron skillet, very inexpensive as well, and I really love it. So now I will go ahead and put about 2 teaspoons of oil. Turn on the heat. It's been 1 to 2 minutes and my skillet is hot. Now I will go ahead and put all the spinach which I had chopped earlier. And spread it evenly just to form a bed of spinach. Just like this. And now I will go ahead and place all my chicken one by one on top of this plate. And my cast iron skillet is on medium high, and this is how my chicken looks after being put on the bed of spinach. And now I will go ahead and place the skillet inside my oven. And my oven is already at 250 Fahrenheit or 120 Celsius. And I will cook this chicken for 15 minutes on one side, and after that I will flip it and cook it for another 15 minutes. I really love it and can't wait to try it out. So that is how my baked Indian style spinach chicken or palak chicken looks like after being baked for exactly 30 minutes. It is very tasty and very juicy. I can tell that because I have tried this recipe before and I really love it, how it turned out every time. Also, making it in a cast iron skillet really helps. I mean, the taste is to die for, and in cast iron you don't need a lot of oil, and also your food tastes amazing. And also I have a lot of weight loss easy chicken recipes on my channel, and I'm planning to make quite a few more chicken and fish recipes for easy weight loss. So if you guys want to know more and don't want to miss on more such amazing stuff of mine, consider subscribing. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, share it with all your friends and family, and comment down below this video how was your experience while making this Indian style baked chicken recipe. I would love to hear that out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye and have a beautiful day ahead.